Find or read reviews that people are talking about RFIMNO mini projector. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Built-in intelligent system, instantly becomes a private cinema. This 4K projector is equipped with Android 11 system, 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage to ensure smooth operation, making it easy to get started. Without the need for an additional TV stick, its built-in Android TV system can directly unlock platforms such as Netflix and YouTube, making millions of video content within reach and easily creating an exclusive home theater. Dual wireless support, say goodbye to cable constraints. The mini projector uses Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2 dual wireless technology to replace traditional HDMI cables. Supporting 2.4 GHz/5 GHz dual band, mini projector can quickly connect devices such as mobile phones and computers, with simple operation and stable wireless connection, making the usage scenario more flexible. Flexible installation, portable and easy to use. The 1080p high-definition portable projector supports bracket installation and desktop placement, equipped with standard 1/4-inch screw holes for stable and convenient installation. The 180 degrees screen rotation function is suitable for multiple scenes, such as living rooms, bedrooms, outdoor environments, and more, and can be adjusted at any angle to enjoy a large screen at any time. High-definition picture quality, cinema-level experience. The portable projector is designed with 1080p Full HD resolution, supports 4K decoding, and advanced DLP technology, with a brightness of 1000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 2000 by 1. The movie projector can present immersive visual effects for watching movies, watching TV shows, and playing games, providing a cinematic experience at home. Rotating angle adjustment plus surround sound effect, optimizing audio-visual experience. The compact body of the projector supports 180 degrees rotation, allowing for flexible adjustment of the projection angle and easy finding of the best viewing angle. Built-in 360 degrees surround sound system, with clear and full sound quality, combining visuals and sound effects to create a truly immersive experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.